Welcome to CyberBikes, the land of the unbelievable bike.
People like to feel the reliability of their vehicles or the things that are taking them to transport. I think people like predictability of the way of transport they are choosing. We want a bike that's extremely reliable. You know when you press the on button, it's gonna turn on, it's gonna take you there. We interview our customers to design the best bike possible. We are thinking on the geometry, on the body weight and height, the reach, the different sorts of people. As a mechanical engineer with specialization in the automotive industry, I could design petrol engines. I could be working with cars. And I really think that big cars, bulky vehicles are not the way to go. If you go on a 10 kilometers radius, the maximum speed you can travel is about 60 kilometers an hour. Why are we driving cars that go like 200 kilometers an hour? So we are like oversizing, overdimensioning the vehicles. And in reality, that makes our cities more like sprawled, far apart. So people are living further off each other. And in reality, we should be together, you know, more like a tribe. Areas of Sydney are dead because people cannot park their cars or there's too much traffic, and the traffic, asphalt and traffic kills the environment. And the business end up killing. Go to Parramatta Road. The business are dead over there. If you could put people walking and e-bikes, you would revive the commercial real estate. That's what happened to Pitt Street, one of the busiest areas in Sydney. I think as a human living in the 21st century with a set of skills, I have to use my skills not to gain a good salary, but to provide a better life for people in the city or on Earth. If I'm seeing the problem is transportation, renewable energy, waste and recycling, I have to push my skills through. Even though if I'm not making money now, I have to keep going towards what I think is right. And in the end, I think things will align. I think people, they're looking for connections, they want to be important in what they do, and I think that's what I'm looking for too.